Hi, today we're going to be reading this story called Bear Can Jump. And Bear is our little character. He does lots of silly things. He's a whole lot of fun. First, we are going to take a peek at the words we will be reading. And these are your words that I want you to remember at the end of this story. So the whole idea of reading this story is to actually know how to read these words moving forward. The first word is can. C-A-N, can. That means he's able to do something. The next word is jump. Let's say the sounds in the word jump. J, jump. The word is jump. That means bouncing on your feet in the air. The next word is over. Ooh, going on top of something. O-V-E-R, over. And the last word is remember, an A by itself is It's the word like I see a phone. I read a story. Now that we know that, let's go and read our story, Bear Can Jump. It is really important to touch every word as we read. That is what I want you to do. I also want you to try to remember the pattern, because on every page the words will be the same. I also want you to try really hard to remember the power words, because you'll see them again and again, and so you'll remember them in the next books. Then there's going to be a new word. You can use the first sound of that new word. The very first sound, that letter sound, can help you guess the word by using the picture, or you can sound out the words. So we'll do that together. Bear can jump. Bear can jump over a log. Now, if we didn't know this word, log, we see in the picture, this is a log. If you don't know what the picture is, that's okay too, because we are still learning English. We can sound the word out. Look at this letter. This is the letter L. L makes what sound? Yes, O. Now, you can look at the picture, and you can say, oh, I think that's a log. Or if you don't know that word, we can sound the word out by saying the sounds in all the letters. So let's try this one. Og, log. That's how we read the word. Bear can jump over a dog. Bear can jump over a flower. Again, you might not be able to read this word, but we know what that picture is. It's a flower, and we also know that the first letter is F, and F makes the sound. Bear can jump over a frog. Bear can jump over a snake. Bear can jump over a cat. That's a fun one to read, because cat's always easy to read. Cat. Bear can jump over a turkey. Bear can jump over a bat. Another easy one to read. Bat. Bear can jump over a skunk. We might not know that animal. This animal is a skunk, and it can spray a stinky scent. Oof, bear is definitely going to jump over that and not touch it. Bear can jump over a goose. You might want to say duck, but take a look, because that first letter is G, and G says G. Look at Moose. Moose thinks bear is nuts. Bear can jump over a moose. I can use the first letter sound to match the word to the picture. So let's see if we can do that. Moose. There's moose. There's moose. Skunk. Skunk. Where's the picture of the skunk? You point to it. Yes, right here. Where's the picture of this one? What is this letter? Yes, it's T, and it says Good. Which one of these animals starts with T? Yes, it is turkey. That first letter sound is G. Which animal starts with G? Yes, goose. And this last one is log. Log, and remember that it is that. So you can always pause the video to do this part all on your own, and you may rewatch this and practice this story. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.